This is our Landers haul. Thank you, ka. Thank you, Tin. Ayan. Mga healthy. Quinoa chips. Permissions and herbs. Croutons. Nori seaweed. Cookies. Chocolate cookies. Mini Max. Pretzels and crackers. Salted egg. Combos. Honey butter. Picnic and Pringles. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Kat, for the Landers haul. God bless you more. More Landers haul. Peach Hops, Nutella, salad, and then sardines, milkfish anchovies, garlic salt, fish crackers, cashew, Italian seasoning, and finally we found our balsamic glaze in Landers for our salad, vegetable salad. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Kat. And there's the butter cookies. Yan. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tin, for our Landers haul. Ayan, may cashew rin. On top of the cashew na from Abu Dhabi. So we have cashew also from Landers. Yan, salad din natin yata yung Italian seasoning ngayon. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tin, for all this haul from Landers.